Hello wrestling fans and welcome to BorderCityWrestling.com. I'm Jeffrey Scott, joined by Scott D'Amore, and we are just hours away from the first night of the March Breakdown Tour here at the world famous Niagara Falls. Scott, we got a great lineup tonight. Why don't you tell the fans watching online what we have in store tonight?
Well, what we got and some stuff you'll be seeing coming up here on exclusive matches for BorderCityWrestling.com. Headlining this event tonight, we've got former WWE superstars, the Highlanders, making their Border City Wrestling debut, and they'll be taking on a team that's done very well here in the past and taking on some very established teams. Has faced Cody Deaner and Kevin Nash, has faced the world famous Dudley Boys Team 3D, and here tonight, Niagara Falls, it's going to be former WWE superstars, the Highlanders, Rory and Robbie McAllister, versus Tyson Dukes and All Japan Pro Wrestling superstar Joe Doering. We also have the debut of All Japan Pro Wrestling star Masayuki Kono. Masayuki Kono started with All Japan Pro Wrestling years ago and then left pro wrestling 5 years ago and spent the last 5 years with the K1 organization and the Pancrase fighting organizations over in Japan doing mixed martial arts. He returns to pro wrestling. He does it with the Can-Am Wrestling School. He does it with Border City Wrestling, and he steps in the ring tonight. We also have returning to Border City Wrestling after a very long absence, Danger Boy Derek Wild.
Yeah.
He's Niagara Falls' favorite son. He's back in Border City Wrestling, re-debuting tonight. Jeff, we got to get down to the building here. So one last look at the falls, down to the building, Border City Wrestling action, and we'll check back in with you later.
...2009 brought Border City Wrestling back on the road. The first show on the road was right here in beautiful Niagara Falls, Ontario.
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you what a great night of action we had in Niagara Falls. The first stop on the March Breakdown Tour, an unbelievable. We had a successful debut by Masayuki Kono, All Japan Pro Wrestling's new superstar. I spoke with Kenji Moto, the great Muta himself, and he is very high on this young prospect. We also saw a successful debut from the Highlanders as they came to Border City Wrestling for the first time here, and they were very successful in scoring what might well have been an upset, taking on two Border City Wrestling mainstays in Joe Doering and Tyson Dukes. Well, Jeff, I'd have to sum it up as a very successful debut in Niagara Falls for Border City Wrestling, and I think it's just the first of many great things to come. We got a lot of exciting more things coming up here, and I'm looking forward to it. This is going to be an exciting season.
But I think you know what we better do? We better get going. We still have 2 more stops left on the March Breakdown Tour, starting in Windsor. Let's go, Scott.